Yo, we're all posted up here in the Rough House Studios. The Rivian's giving you the cipher. Rough House Studios, Rivian, check it out. Yeah, check. Hey yo, choose and take, can't find another way. My vibes will have you higher than a dose of trouble. Concentrate, don't relate, walk by me. I still feel the same stare straight while under consternation. Verbal illustrations, no patience, that's frustrations. Come equipped, I can live without acknowledgement. Like I did before I grew in the room, I guess one lifetime is too soon for some. Carrying out their day, hoping they'll evolve. Continue, no pause, don't disturb my internal. To realize the turbo, better you burn slow for problems like no more. This life is closed doors, head your way out of short time. Still the same actions go. Became one, now my shadow holds a gun with stars shine. So walking in the night with my demons in the moonlight. Reevaluate as I operate on the mental plane. I can see, never struck by your beliefs or persuasion, so to speak. I built my life form past word drove to realities and fantasies.
Omni, spit that sick shit, the flow like liquid, similar to vomit. Once in a lifetime instance, daily comment. If you ain't caught it, you missed it. So with this sentence, I attack your sentence, render you defenseless within my clenches. I forgot to mention if you're the president and I'm the hitman, put it into your convention, cause you know competition against a hardware composition. I'll never be a dick rider, but whack rider, who would never spit fire with a full mouth with alcohol and a big lighter. One song into the show, they get tired. But I mean the crowd though, on the contrary, my goal is to inspire. I got numerous styles, similar to cumulus clouds, bringing you continuous flows, six subliminal woes, attempting to replicate this conditions and strenuous mission. The fact is, if your practice is tactless, you only get burnt. If you think you can match this, if you major to mathematics, you won't be able to mathematics. Making your brain just crack the madness, you need to save it to cast the magic. Living with madness to mitigate damage from the raging rap and havoc. As I'm a season planet, and letting your asses have it, like a dad did to his back is, letting your asses have it. I'm breaking a massive habit, seeing a mic and trying to grab it. Like so when the fuck you think it's hard to feel that you should have it.
Check it, yeah. Child, East LA, BYI mob. Right, here we go. Sleeping on my bars don't guarantee you wake up in a new Bugatti. That just mean your exhibit is shut down. The zoo is sorry. Flexible hours I used to love her, now she's all Illuminati. Uber rides to Illuminati. Never knew Versace till the vehicle pimped out. You decide who's alive, you arrive to the party, we uptown. Forget about God down here, no rules apply to survive. Go to you to poppy, yeah, but that's a suicide in the suit and tie. Crucified before I shoot the Tommy. Speak easy, mob deep, and only spot the few truly got me. Couldn't tell now if the suit or money make a pool of sloppy out of thugs who only got flow like Luca Brasi. I'm universal, bitch. Even without the proper essentials, the shit is thoroughly spit, so it's commercially fit. I knock a flock with a pebble from caged birds to 8 men and fish who were dropped in the barrel. The beast is released, the process is settled. The secret police have stopped to say hello, so shut your fucking mouth. This is completely rhetorical, but forever MCs are sentimental. I'm piercing armor with arrows of honor, sovereign and hard to the rebel who dare call me out my ego, cause I talk to the devil. Child, Rough House, thank you.
Yes. Rhyme fighters.
You cheap copy, your crew can't stop me. You still live a mommy, feet dingle off the potty. You get chased out of your own town like Gaddafi. Killed softly, don't cross me, on point like Archie. Bow and arrow through your Versace, watch me kill sound through Itachi. With rhymicidal syntax, spit over mint tracks. You still feed off moms and silicone, you silicone implants. Your whole style is bitch. One day you down, the next day you switch. You cling on to your moms in the thigh and flinch every time I walk by. You're outside, you tricks. Quit acting like you got weight to throw around half ounce. Flat mouth and I'm serving you smackdowns.
I got nothing in time but karma on my side. When I slide clips, loaded Mac rounds. Rhyme fighters, long live Lord Haywire.